Now we solve question number 2 of exercise 1.4 chapter 1 class 10. Question is, write down the decimal expansion of those rational number in question 1 above which have terminating expansion. We have to write decimal expansion of those rational numbers who is terminating decimal. In question number 1 we have already explained which one is terminating and which one is non-terminating. Terminating decimal are those numbers whose denominator is whose denominator is factor of 2 or 5 or 2 and 5 both. That is terminating. Now let us write in decimal expansion. How to write in decimal expansion? First we reduce denominator into prime factors as we have already done in question number 1. That is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That means 13 divided by 5 to the power 5. Now how will you write into decimal expansion? We have to change denominator in the multiples of 10. That means if we multiply 5 into 2, we will get 10. So here is 5 to the power 5. So we will have to multiply it 2 to the power 5 to get the multiples of 10. Okay? And if we are multiplying denominator by 2 to the power 5, we should have to multiply numerator by the same number also. That is 2 to the power 5. And 2 to the power 5 is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. That is 32. 32 divided by, and both the numbers have same power 5. So base is different and power is same. So you can add the power, you can multiply the base 5 into 2. This is the rule of indices. 2 into 5 to the power 5. And that is equal to 13 into 32 is 13 to the 26, 6 to carry 13 to the 39 plus 2 is 41, 416. And 5 to the 10, 10 to the power 5. This is the multiple of 10. Now 416 divided by 10 to the power 5 means 1 and 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you are writing in decimal form, then you count the number of digits 1, 2, number of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 0 is given, then decimal will be after 5 digit. But here it is only 4. So make it 5. 6, 1, 4. 3 digit is here given. You have to make 5 digit because 5 0 is here. So 3, then 4 and 5. If you put 0 on the left side of the number, its value will not be changed. So we can write any number of zeros on the left side. Now 5 0 is given, that's why the decimal will be after 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And before decimal you put 0. So this is 0.00416 is the decimal expansion. Now take another question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 17 divided by 8. And if you write in this prime factors, then it will be equal to 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. That means 2 to the power 3. So to make it multiples of 10, we have to multiply by 5. And because there are 3, 2. That's why 5 will also be 3. And if you are multiplying denominator, you should have to multiply by numerator also. That is 5 to the power 3. And 17 into 5 to the power 3 is 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. That is 125. And both the power is same. That's why you can multiply the number by indices rule. 2 into 5 to the power 3. And if you multiply 17 into 125, you will get 2125. 2125. and 5 into 2, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 to the power 3, and 10 to the power 3 is 1000, 30, 1 and 30. So 30 is given, that's why decimal will be after 3 digit from right side, right to left. 1, 2, 3, that means 5, 2, 1, then afterwards decimal and then 2. This is the decimal expansion. Now question number 3 is non-terminating. So we will not change it into decimal expansion. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 15 divided by 1600, and prime factors of 1600 is 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. So change into multiples of 10. So there here is 2 to the power 5 to the power 2. So write 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4. Split it to make it equal. 5 to the power 2 is already given, because 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the power 6. Power should add, 4 plus 2 is 6. Now write both have same power, so write 2 into 5 to the power 2. Both the number has same power. Now 2 to the power 4 is left, 2 to the power 4. Now we should have to multiply by 5 to the power 4 to make it multiples of 10, 5 to the power 4. So we have to multiply numerator also by the same digit, by the same number, 5 to the power 4. And then 15 into 5 to the power 4 is 625, because 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 into 25 is 625. 625. And 5 to the 10, 10 to the power 2, and here it is, here also 2 into 5 is 10, that means 10 to the power 4, and 15 into 625. If you multiply 15 into 625, you will get 9375. 375. Base is same, so power must be add. 10 to the power 2 plus 4 by indices rule. Now 9375 divided by 10 to the power 2 plus 4 is 6. So this one is equal to 9375 divided by 10 to the power 6, then 1 and 6 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 0 is given, that's why decimal will be after 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 digit is given, so make it 6 digit. 5, 7, 3, 9, and then 2 0. Now where you make 6 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after 6 digit you have to put 0. 10 to the power 6 is equal to 1 and 6 0. 6 0 is here, that's why decimal will be after 4 digit. Only after 6 digit, only 4 digit is given, so we have to make 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 0. Because if you put 0 on the left side, its value will not be changed. So after 6 digit, put decimal, and before decimal put 0. So this is 0.009375 is in the decimal expansion. Now take another question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is non-terminating. So we will solve question number 6. Question number 6 is terminating. Now 23 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3, and here it is 5 to the power 2. So split this number, 23 divided by 2 to the power 2 into 2. Because if you add it, you will get 2 to the power 3. 2 power and 1 power. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 5 to the power 2. See, 23 divided by 2 into 5. Because both the number has same power. So you can write in this way, 2 into 5 to the power 2. And 2 is left. So how will you make multiple of 10? By multiplying 5, because only 1 2 is here, that's why multiplied by 5. Here also you have to multiply it by 5. Now if you multiply it by 5, what you will get? 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, plus 1 is 11, 115. And this is 2 into 5 is 10, 10 to the power 2, and 2 into 5 is 10. So this is equal to 115 divided by 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 1. Nothing is written, that means 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means it is equal to 2 to the power 10 to the power 3. And 10 to the power 3 is nothing but 1000, 1 and 3 0. So 30 is given, so you have to write decimal after 3 digit. Write it 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. Put decimal. And then 0. If no number is given, put 0 before decimal. So number is expanded, decimal expansion is 0.115. Now take another question. Question number 7 is non-terminating. So take question number 8. That is 6 by 15. Both the number is divisible by 3. Then 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is given. So how you make 10? Multiple of 10? By multiplying 2. Here also you have to multiply it by 2. Now 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. So only 0 is given. That's why decimal will be after 1 digit. So it will be 0.14. This is the decimal expansion. Now question number 9. Question number 9, 35 divided by 50. 50 if you multiply it by 2, you will get 100. That is very easy. 50 into 2. So you have to multiply it numerator also by 2. Then this is 70. 35 into 2 is 70 and 50 into 2 is 100. So it is 0.70. Because decimal is after 2 zeros given, that's why decimal will be after 2 digit. This is the expanded form, decimal expansion of this number. If you have any confusion, then write in my comment box.